Hello, English learners. Welcome to the new series, Story Time on Everyday English. In this series, you will listen to simple stories. The story will be easy to understand. You will see the words and hear the story. This is a great way to learn new vocabulary and understand English narratives. Today, we will listen to a long story about a happy cat. The cat's name is Tom. Let's start the story. Tom is a cat. Tom is a big, gray cat. Tom lives in a nice house. Tom is a very happy cat. It is early morning. The sun comes up slowly. It is 7 o'clock. Tom is sleeping on his soft white bed. He feels safe on his bed. He hears a noise. The noise is his owner, Anna. Tom wakes up. He opens his eyes slowly. He thinks, it is a new day. Tom stretches his body. He stretches his front paws. He stretches his back legs. He is ready to move. Tom jumps off the bed. The floor is cold. He walks to the kitchen. Tom is very, very hungry. He smells his food. He walks fast to his bowl. His food is in a blue bowl. Tom eats his food. He eats and eats. He drinks fresh water from a small bowl. He is not hungry now. He feels full and good. He is a happy cat. It is 10 o'clock. Tom wants to play. Tom goes to the living room. He looks for his toy. He finds a small red ball. The ball is his favorite toy. Tom runs and chases the ball. The ball rolls under a chair. He pushes the ball out. He runs faster. He jumps high. He is playing a lot. It is the afternoon. It is 2 o'clock. The sun is bright and hot outside. Tom is tired from playing. He goes outside into the green garden. The garden is quiet. Tom sees a tall tree. He climbs the tree a little bit. He is a good climber. Tom sees a small yellow bird in the tree. The bird sings a beautiful song, tweet, tweet. Tom is a cat. He wants to play with the bird. He jumps and tries to reach the bird. He cannot reach the bird. The bird flies away. Tom goes back down. Tom goes back inside the house. He is very, very tired now. He walks slowly to the window. The sun is warm by the window. He looks outside. He watches the people walk slowly on the street. It is getting later. It is 5 o'clock. His owner, Anna, comes home. Anna pets Tom. She pets his soft fur. Tom is happy. He makes a low, quiet sound. Purr. Anna gives Tom a small treat. Tom eats the treat. It is sweet. Tom goes back to his soft bed. It is night now. He closes his eyes. He is sleeping. He sleeps all night long. Tom is a happy cat. He had a very good day. Tomorrow, Tom will wake up and play again. That was a long and wonderful story about Tom the happy cat. We hope you enjoyed this story and learned many new words. Remember, listening to stories in English is a fantastic way to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our lessons. If you liked this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Everyday English for more great stories and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for learning with us, and we will see you in the next video.